Are you unable to download a system update on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4? This usually happens due to slow internet connection, insufficient storage, or temporary app store glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to download update issue on your Mac Mini. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, disable VPNs or proxies, as they can block Apple servers. After this, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check date and time. First, click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Then click on the System Settings. Scroll down a little bit in the sidebar. Then click General. Now click on Date and Time. Now here, make sure to set the current date and time. And also make sure that the Set Time and Date Automatically option is toggled on. Now restart your Mac and see whether your issue is solved or not. Solution 2. Free up storage. Click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Then click on the System Settings. Scroll down a little bit in the sidebar. Then click General. Next click Storage. Then click on Applications here. Now delete large apps to free up the storage. After that, click Documents and delete large video files and documents. Solution 3. Update previous pending updates. Click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Then click on the System Settings. Scroll down a little bit in the sidebar. Then click General. After that, click on Software Update. Now make sure to install other updates below. Solution 4. Delete Update Preferences. Now click on the Go from the top menu bar. Then click the Go to Folder option below. Now here, write this prompt, /library/preferences. Don't worry, I will provide this prompt in the description. Then hit enter. Now here, find the files named com.apple.softwareupdate.plist. Just delete this file from here and then restart your Mac. Now try to download the software update again. This is how you can solve the download update issue on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.